Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove a box around text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove a box around this text. Firstly, click the text and we can see here open the ratio. Now click the ratio and go to the format menu. Then we can see here many option. We select the shape outline option. Click the shape outline and choose no outline. And we can see here we remove the box around this text. And you apply another effect in this text. Click the text and select this text. Click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the home menu and apply some effect like font color, bold, italic, underline, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.